Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. To begin, your main objective is to survive as long as possible against increasingly difficult zombie hordes. You'll start with a simple pistol and earn points by shooting and knifing zombies. Knifing early rounds gives you more points. Use these points to unlock new sections of the map, which often contain better weapons, perks, and access to the Pack-a-Punch machine. Teamwork is key for survival. Efficient point management is crucial for success. You earn points by shooting zombies, especially with headshots, and by repairing broken barriers. Save enough points to buy perks, which are special abilities like increased health or faster reloading, found at various vending machines. Once you have a strong weapon, head to the Pack-a-Punch machine. For 5,000 points, it significantly upgrades your weapon's damage, magazine size, and often adds a special effect, making it much more effective against tougher enemies. Navigating the map effectively is vital. Spend your early rounds exploring, opening doors, and locating key areas like the power switch. Activating the power is essential, as it enables all perk machines, traps, and often the Pack-a-Punch machine. When facing large groups, try to train zombies by running in circles, gathering them into a manageable horde. This allows you to turn and eliminate many at once, preventing you from being overwhelmed and ensuring your survival for longer rounds. For those aiming for high rounds, advanced tactics are necessary. Always prioritize obtaining wonder weapons, which are incredibly powerful and have unique effects, often found in the mystery box or through specific quests. Consider attempting the main Easter egg quest for significant rewards and to uncover the map's story. Don't forget to strategically deploy your specialist abilities and score streaks during intense moments or boss encounters. Coordinating these efforts with your team is paramount for pushing past round 20 and beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.